Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week, we're going to look at scanning receipts using Scanbot for iOS, which is a common workflow for many people who have to travel for work. Scanbot is an iOS utility made for scanning documents that can apply Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, to your scans and automatically upload them to the cloud service provider of your choice. So if you have a need to scan receipts and track expenses, Scanbot can save you a lot of time. Let's take a look. Here we are on our iPhone home screen, and when we tap on the Scanbot icon to launch the application, it opens directly into the camera mode to save us time. It knows that when we open the application, we're going to want to scan a document, so it takes us straight into that mode, but before we do that, we need to make sure that our settings are set up correctly. So first, tap on Cancel, then tap on the gear icon in the upper left.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.